Words don't fight, or do they? In this story, they do. Let's see how it begins. Once there were words, just lolling about. There was adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, noun, and pronoun. Because they lived only for themselves, there were no verses, no stories, and no songs.
Oh no!
Then one day, a scribe joined them. He took out a feather quill, dipped it in ink, and began to write, and the words fell into sequences. Of course, the words fell out of sequence when each one said, "I am the greatest."
What?
They used a famous Bible verse to make their case.
Oh no!
The scribe, a wise man, used the same verse to show they are all equal in God's eyes. One character did not learn the lesson and decided to go his own way. What happened to him?
Yeah.
Well, you have to read the book to find out. Until the next breakout with a good book, God bless you.